In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle time zones and dates in Power Automate using the Convert Time Zone action. Power Automate, formerly known as Microsoft Flow, is an incredibly useful tool for automating repetitive tasks and workflows within the Microsoft ecosystem. However, when your workflows involve handling times and dates across different time zones, things can get a little tricky. But don't worry, because today we're going to simplify the process with a no-code solution. First things first, we're going to add the Convert Time Zone action. To do this, simply click on the plus New Step button in your Power Automate flow. This opens a panel where you can search for different actions to add. Type in Convert Time Zone and select it from the search results. This action is intuitive and powerful, allowing you to seamlessly handle time conversions without writing complex expressions. Next, let's talk about the base time. This is the date and time you want to convert. Typically, you would use dynamic content available from previous actions in your flow. For instance, the created date of a file or item might be what you want to convert. Just select the appropriate dynamic content from the list. Once you've set your base time, you need to choose a source time zone. This is the time zone that your base time is currently in. In most cases, you might be working with Coordinated Universal Time, commonly known as UTC, since it's a standard time used across many systems to maintain consistency. Now that the source time zone is set, it's time to pick your destination time zone. This is where the time will be converted to. You'll find a drop-down list filled with options to choose from. For example, if you want to convert the time to Eastern Time for the United States and Canada, you would select UTC 0501 Eastern Time, US and Canada. Finally, we come to the format string, which determines how your converted date and time will be displayed. You have the option to stick to a standard format, which is convenient and quick. However, if you require a specific arrangement, you can opt for the custom setting. Here, you can input a format like YMMD, HMMSS, which will give you a precise layout of the date and time. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage time zone conversions in Power Automate. This approach cuts out the need for complicated code or expressions, allowing you to focus on building efficient and effective workflows. I hope this makes working across time zones a breeze for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering Power Automate.